thing's pretty muddy. Yeah, I think this is where it's stuck. Shut off the camera, I think. Or something of that nature, anyway.